If you're a movie collector, you know the struggle. Keeping track of what you own, avoiding duplicates, and figuring out what to watch next. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone to catalog your movies easily, and I'll even share a free option to get you started. By the end of the video, you'll know how to get your collection organized in just a few minutes. Greetings from Dreamin' Digital. If you're the type of person who used to visit Blockbuster Video on a Friday night, walked down the aisles, checked out the new release wall, grabbed a few movies knowing full well those late charges were inevitable, and enjoyed a night of popcorn and cinema at home with your loved ones, then this is the channel for you. Welcome home. If you have a free moment, I would love for you to slap the like button around and subscribe to the channel so we can grow together. The cool thing about this whole process is that you more than likely already have what you need to get started right away. You need an Apple or Android device and a movie collection. That's it. I promised a free option, and I feel like we should discuss that first. If you aren't down for more subscriptions and paying monthly for another service, look, I completely understand. The subscription model is the dominant force in most consumer spending these days, and adding yet another responsibility might not be what you're looking for, and that's totally cool. Movie Miner is a completely free app that works surprisingly well. It has a clean and simple user interface. It allows you to scan barcodes easily, and for the most part, has a competent database. You might have to put in a few titles manually, but for the most part, most of the movies I scanned when I tested it showed up. It's a great choice to handle the basics of managing and organizing your movie collection, and it's free. You can't really demand or argue with free. I personally don't mind the $1.99 a month or $19.99 for the year to be able to have access to CLZ Movies. Now, I know many of you don't mind paying for a service that you'll get value from, but I honestly wish they just had a one-time lifetime purchase option. That would make all of this make sense. However, I committed to $1.99 since I didn't know if I was going to like it or not. Now that I've used it for a little while, I'm going to go for the $20 for the year. Now, I did check out the other options out there like iCollect and Movie Buddy, but I just thought CLZ fit me and my needs a bit better. I wanted a service that could differentiate between 4K, Blu-ray, and DVD and label them accordingly, which CLZ does very well. I wanted it to be able to scan large batches, which it also does. I wanted the option to export my collection to a document. With CLZ, you can export to text, XML, or even PDF through the CLZ Cloud service, which is included in your subscription. Now, there's a feature that I didn't know I was looking for until it came with the package. The ability to upload your collection to CLZ's cloud, so it's never lost. That's pretty cool. Let me show you around the app a little bit. I'm going to give you guys a really quick tutorial on how to get up and running. I'm going to go ahead and display it right over here. So, I went to the stores, and bought a bunch of movies. I also went on Amazon, bought a bunch of movies. Right now, I'm obsessed with movies. So, I need to personally scan these through. I've only been able to scan my 4K so far. I haven't had the time to go through my whole collection. But as you can see on the thing, it's super clean. The UI is so clean. It shows you what's 4K, what's DVD, what's Blu-ray. It gives you a rating. I mean, it's linked up to databases. So when you open up, let's open up Alita Battle Angel, it shows you everything about the movie. Everything. It even has a trailer. I mean, it's insane how feature-rich this UI really is. But, I mean, I know why you're here. You want to see how quick it scans things through. So essentially, all you're going to do is hit this little blue button down here, go scanning by barcodes, and away you go. There's the island. There's Big Fish 4K, of course. There is the butterfly effect. Final Fantasy. Cool Hand Luke. I love this movie. 40-year-old version. I love this movie too. I found these at the thrift store the other day. This is a fantastic movie. Four Feathers. Grandma's Boy. As you can see, I'm paying about $2.99 for these regular DVDs, and I think it's like, yeah, it's like between $5 and $8 for the Blu-rays. So And look at, no, I didn't. I did not. I did not. Look, guys. Look what I did. And this was in the span of like 2 days. There's 2 4-year-old virgins. And that's what I'm talking about. If I had these scanned through, it wouldn't have been an issue. So that just goes to show right then and there. Funny, I actually just realized that right now just by going through them. This is the stack I had for over the last weekend. So that's insane. The fact that I'm doing a video on how to not do this, and I did this myself because I didn't have this up and running. So just goes to show. Just goes to show. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. You scan and you go. It's not a hard concept. It does, you can categorize it by folders, by director, by actor, literally by condition. I mean, the sky's the limit with organization on this app. So if you need to organize it a certain way or you want to catalog it a certain way, super simple. I just have it simple, A through Z, nothing crazy, and that's it. That's really it, guys. So, yeah, super easy, right? You have no idea how many times I've gotten home from Entertain Mart, Second and Charles, or my local thrift store and been totally pissed that I yet again bought another of the same thing. There are just movies out there that are just that damn good, where I'm like, I don't care if I have it. At the off chance I don't have it, I'm buying it just in case. That's been my unreasonable thought process throughout the years, and recently I did do some cleaning and discovered quite a bit of doubles in my possession. So this app is essentially going to solve this problem for me, since I can just type the name of the movie in the search bar or search by UPC and figure out within microseconds whether I need to buy the movie or just walk away. I think aside from just general organization and inventory, that's where this app is going to have the most value, for me at least. It's a guide you can take with you, a friend available to you anytime that will remind you what you need and what you don't. I'm a collector of a lot of things at heart. Physical media like movies and CDs are an important part of my overall collections. I like owning content that I enjoy consuming. Overall, I feel like this app was the right choice for me, and I think if you are like me when it comes to movies, you will find value in this app. Don't worry, guys, I'm not sponsored by CLZ in any way. This was just an organic evaluation on my personal experience. I encourage you to try cataloging your media and share your opinions and experiences with the service you choose to go with down in the comments below. Oh, and if you got a rare gem in that collection of yours, you got to tell us what it is. So half the fun of this hobby of collecting movies is pining over each other's spoils, CLZ also offers apps to organize your comics, games, music, and books. I wish they had one platform to rule them all. That would be so cool. They offer a web version of these services that costs a bit more, but you could do more with it. One feature that might be of interest is the ability to mark your movies loaned out so you can keep track of them. I don't loan my things out, so I'm sticking with the mobile version. I'm happy with it. Thank you all for joining me today. I hope you got some clarity on how to organize your movies. If you enjoyed the content, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel to help me grow. Completely geek out with the like button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video drops. Thank you for watching. Take care.